ready to transform your dull data into dazzling dashboards. Today, we're diving into Looker Studio to learn how to add images to your charts, making them more engaging and easier to understand. First, open your Looker Studio report and select the chart you want to enhance with an image. Now, in the Properties panel on the right, scroll down until you find the Style tab. Click on it to expand the style options. Make sure you've selected the Show Data Labels option. This is essential, as our image will replace this data label. Under the Data Labels section, you'll see a Type drop-down menu. Click on it and choose Image. A field selector will appear. This is where you'll choose the field that contains the URLs to your images. This field needs to contain the URL to each image you would like to use. Make sure your data source includes a column with publicly accessible image URLs. You can store your image URLs in Google Sheets and then connect it as a data source in Looker Studio. Ensure the column containing URLs is formatted as text. Now, you'll see the image mapped to your data points, but you might have to adjust the size. Under the Data Labels section, you can adjust the width and height to your liking. And that's it. By adding images to your charts, you can provide valuable context, highlight trends, and create data visualizations that truly captivate your audience. Subscribe for more Looker Studio tips and tricks.